Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another two diamond paintings to show you guys. I don't know where I got most of these, but I will post on the video the link to them if they're still available. It's been a long time since I've gotten them, so they may not be available anymore. The first one is a 60 by 80, and that's in centimeters. And I love the look of this one. I'm going to go ahead and separate it from the second one. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I was really happy to get this. I will be peeling the paper off because I do need to put these away. I like to have them flat when I store them, just because it makes it easier if you're going to start one. If you just lay it, if you have it already laying flat, it's just easier to just grab it and start on it. So I'm going to try to get some of this peeled up so it'll start laying flat. And you can see that there are a whole lot of greens. This one is definitely going to be like the 310s. A lot of people don't like doing the black. And this is probably going to be like that because that's a lot of green. That's a lot of green. Oh my gosh. And that needs to fix. So I'm just going to keep rolling this out a little at a time. I think I'm going to do this side now just so I can possibly lay it flat if the two sides, and ignore if you hear anything falling. I have got a lot of stuff in the way right now and it's trying to fall into my area. I will say with the diamond paintings, for me, like the rounds are better because it's just easier for me. I do not use the multi-placers. They, I don't know. I can't get into them. I just like placing it one block, one square, one dot, however you want to call it. I do it one at a time. And I do that no matter what size diamond painting that I'm using. Or doing, not using, doing. Okay, gotta get that back down. That's the problem you run into when you're doing this in a small space. You can't really get the paper back the way it needs to go. So I'm not going to do the whole thing, and I'm not going to do the second one. I'll do it off camera. Now, all of these diamond paintings, they all come with the drills. They all come with a little kit. However, what I have done already is I've already put the drills away, and the kit, I usually just take the wax out of it in the bags, and then I get rid of the rest of the stuff because I've got so many pens. I don't need like a ton of pens. I've got one that I really like using, and so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna get that one out of the way. It is almost laying flat. I will have to fix it later, but that will be done on my bed because my bed's got like a big area that it can do, so it'll be easier doing it on that one. So I just wanted to show you. I did not show you how many colors the other one had, but I will show you this one. There's 49 colors in this. Now, this one is a 50 by 70 and it is round, and that is who I'm doing. She is inspired by the demon hunters on World of Warcraft. So I got her, and like I said, there are 49 colors in here. The more colors, the better off you are, because if there's a lot of colors, it means the picture is going to look pretty good. If the less colors you have, the more pixelated it will look. So yeah, but I just wanted to come on here and do a quick video and show you guys these two diamond paintings, and hopefully, I'm hoping that I can start working on all of these diamond paintings that I have soon. I've got other projects I'm doing. I'm moving a bunch of stuff in the apartment. I'm like changing the layout of a lot of the rooms and stuff like that. So I've just been really busy. But I'm really hoping I can start doing some diamond paintings because I have a lot to do and I need to get them done. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will have some more diamond painting videos coming up because I have like another 2 boxes that I have to open up, and they each have 2 paintings in them. So be on the lookout for that. But that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.